Hi, this is Gary with Aldan American, and today I wanted to announce we're going to go to Power Tour West, which is December 15th, 16th, and 17th. It's going to go to Irwindale, Las Vegas, and end at Pomona. It's really exciting because this is the first time I've been able to participate in Power Tour. So I'm taking my El Camino. Over the years, it's developed a couple of oil leaks. The rear main seal had leaked. So I decided that it was time to pull the engine out. We're going to reseal it. And then I got to thinking about it, and I think I'm going to do a cam, freshen it up a little bit deeper than just doing the rear main seal, so that we're going to be ready for Power Tour West, December 15th, 16th, and 17th. We're going to have a booth. You can come out, ask questions, check out our products. We're going to be at the Irwindale, the Las Vegas, and the Pomona events. For more information, check us out at aldanamerican.com, and also follow us on Instagram and YouTube.